Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to do a 45-degree cut with a circular saw. So there are two kinds of 45-degree cuts that you can do, a 45-degree bevel cut or a 45-degree miter cut. I'll be showing you how to do both. Begin by placing a sacrificial board to protect your work surface. Place the wood to be cut on the sacrificial board. To prevent splinters, it's a good idea to fix masking tape over your line of cut. As the next step, you need to mark the width at which you want to make the bevel cut on the wood. Mark it using a pencil and a speed square. To make a 45-degree straight cut, you need to fix a straight edge to guide the circular saw. To know where to place a straight edge, you need to first measure the offset from the blade of the circular saw to the edge of the base plate. Now transfer this offset distance by measuring from the point at which you're going to make the bevel cut. Next, clamp a straight piece of wood at the point which you just marked. Next, you need to set the 45-degree bevel angle on the circular saw. Unlock the bevel adjustment knob and set the angle to 45 degrees. Next, set the blade depth such that the circular saw makes a through cut in the wood while grazing the sacrificial board. Next, place the saw against the straight edge and make the bevel cut. Once you make the cut, finish the edge using a rasp or sandpaper. So that was a bevel cut. Now we'll see how to do a 45-degree miter cut with a circular saw. Begin by fixing masking tape over your intended line of cut. Next, mark your 45-degree line of cut using your speed square. In this case, we'll be using a speed square as a straight edge. To know where to place the speed square, measure the offset from the blade of the circular saw to the edge of the base plate. Next, transfer this offset distance and clamp the speed square at this point. For the miter cut, you don't need to do any angle adjustment on the circular saw. Just make sure to set the blade depth to do a through cut in the wood. Start the saw and make the cut by pressing against the speed square. When you're done, finish using a rasp or sandpaper. So that's how you do a 45-degree miter cut and bevel cut with a circular saw. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.